All right, so yesterday we started doing a construction clean on this hotel here. Yes. See the hotel? This is my new project, y'all. Home to hotel. This is the big one. This is the big one for me. I never did a construction clean like this before. I don't even like construction cleans. If you know me, you know I don't even like construction cleans. But when we negotiated the price, I was like, okay. It was one of them situations, but I'm gonna tell you all about everything. But this is it right here. You know what I mean? I had the crew out doing a rough clean, and it looked like they did a pretty good job. I'm just waiting for whoever has the key to come open it up so we can get in here today and get busy. I need to learn a little bit more about this stuff here, man. I need to learn a little bit more about how to get this damn dust off this floor. It looked like they got a lot of dust off the floor yesterday. This is good. I'm telling you, the floors were white. And I'm going to show you the picture. The floor were completely white. Okay, you guys, so this was the construction clean from hell. We are basically in a hotel fitness center, and the construction guys apparently did not cover any of the equipment. So the equipment was covered with construction dust, as well as the floor, the walls, everything. So we had to give this baby a bath for about 3 days. And then on the 4th day, we did a final clean. Okay. How many workers did it take? It took us about 6 workers that I hired for this position. I had someone working on floors. I had a few people working on windows and baseboards and walls. I had someone wiping off the equipment. But with construction dust, you have to wipe it a couple of times. So we literally mopped this floor probably about 25 times to get it to look halfway decent. But the first thing you want to do with these cleans is you want to get yourself a good vacuum. Okay, you need a really, really good. We used a wet vac from Walmart. It was about $99. And that was the best tool for us to get most of that construction dust up first before we even started the mopping process. Okay, so get yourself some good suction power. All right, you guys. Can you hold this for me? Sorry. All right, you guys. So I'm just coming from Walmart. Walmart is right across the street from the hotel that we're doing the construction clean at. So I'm all dusty because I'm out here working with my team today. And a young lady just asked me for some change, right? So I said, I really don't have no change on me to give the young lady. But I said, you know what? I'm going to go over there and I'm going to ask her if she want to come and work, because we could use an extra body at this hotel. We got the whole hotel to do. So if she willing to come over here and work, she ain't got to beg nobody for no change, right? All right. So we gonna see. And I'll pay her same day pay if she want to come over here and work. But she got to actually put in some work. That way she ain't got to be out here in the hot heat. Now, my assistant just went over there and gave her some water, right? So, because I be curious how people get to this stage in life to where you just out there asking for change. Like, I don't understand what 50 Cent gonna do with all this high inflation going on right now. I don't, But, let me see if I can find the young lady. Where's she at, man? She done went ghost. She gone? Trying to find her. There she go. Let me see. All right, y'all. We gonna pull up on her and see. Excuse me, ma'am. I own a cleaning company, right? So I was gonna ask you, are you looking for a job?
Yes, ma'am.
You interested in working?
Yes.
Are you available to work today?
Yes.
Because we got a we got a hotel that we doing right there. You see that hotel? It's called Home 2 Suites. We doing a construction clean over there.
Okay.
So if you willing to come help the team out, I'll pay you $100 a day.
Okay.
You willing to do that?
Yeah.
All right. Meet me over there at that hotel. Okay? All right. She said she willing to work. Because I don't want to see her out here like this. If she willing to really work, I'll help her. You know, I probably should have gave her a ride over there. She walking over there. It's just right there. I ain't being dirty, y'all. It's just right there. She meet me over there. Meet me over there. If you really want to make this money, meet me over there. Well, how I get over there? It's over here. All right. Yeah, meet me over there, and I will definitely give her $100 today. That way she don't have to be out here. And I don't understand how people get to that point in life, man. That shit's sad. Some people be out here bullshit. But if you're a person and you really want to make some money, come on. Shit. I'll put you on. But we gonna see. We gonna see. If she want to make some money, I give her $100 today.
But this is my first time being home. And now I know how people feel.
Oh my God. And you haven't had a job since when?
Since I've been down here.
Since 2014? So you just been homeless since 2000?
Yeah. Eating off the trash can, the sidewalk, and everything.
Wow. All right, y'all. So, whew, comes to find out, baby girl done been through a lot. You know, she said that she tried to kill herself twice. She, her baby died of COVID, and her fiance or boyfriend, somebody died, and she ended up being homeless. And she said she never thought in her life she'd end up, you know, being homeless, but it's real, you know. It's it's a messed up situation that she in. People judge her, and she can't read, can't write. She has a child that she was molested, and her father got her pregnant. It's a lot, man. It's just a lot. You know what I mean? You never know what people be going through, man. And she said her other kids don't know about that baby. And then, you know, she not from Hinesville. And, you know, god damn. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to help her out. If she willing to work, I'm going to pay her same day, pay today. You know, I'm going to help her out. Fucked up.
And where are we on the way to now?
She's staying at this hotel right here. She's staying at the Budget Hotel. So, I'm going to go to the Budget Hotel and get a room for her for tonight. You know, so at least she got a room for the night. And then she'll have some change in her pocket. And, alright, so I just paid for a hotel room for the young lady. Right here, as you can see. Her hotel was $60 for each room. So I got her 2 nights. That's $120, right? So she's safe. She got somewhere to stay tonight and tomorrow night, right? So all she got to do is literally walk across the street, because the construction clean is across the street from her hotel. So all she got to do is wake up, come across the street, work with us for a few hours, and I'm gonna pay her on the spot. That's all she got to do. You know what I'm saying? And legally, you can pay someone underneath the table up to how much?
$600.
$600. That's what the law say. So I'm gonna let her make $600 with us within these next couple of days. Hopefully it gives her a little bit of life, a little bit of, you know, because she said when she told me she tried to kill herself, she told me she tried to kill herself twice. I was like, damn. She said she played Russian roulette with a gun. I wish my assistant would have kept recording. She said she played Russian roulette with a gun, and she put 5 bullets in there, and it didn't, in the butt, it didn't go off. And she said she took some pills and some Hennessy, and she still woke up the next day.
She said she said she put 1 bullet in there in a 5-barrel gun. I mean, a 5-barrel gun, yeah, and it didn't go off. None of them went off. And then she said she took 25 pills, and drunk the Hennessy and she woke up and she kept asking God, why did she wake up?
Right.
And she was just like, after everything, you know, she still wanted to be taken out because people done chastised her and
She's been molested.
Yeah.
She had a baby by her dad. Nasty
Yeah.
bastard. I mean, disgusting shit, man. And you don't know. I be wondering. And I don't like to judge people because, you know, when she asked me for some change, I said, no, baby girl, I ain't got no change on me, which I really didn't have no change. If I had some dollars, I usually, you know, issue out dollars. But it's a cashless society. I don't carry change. I don't carry dollars no more. I don't. So I was like, nah, baby girl, I don't have none. And then when I got back in the car, I thought about it. I was like, well, you know what? She could walk over here and help us, and I'll pay her. So me and my assistant was talking about it, and then we said, we're going to see. We're going to see whether she just out here being lazy, asking for money, or is she really in a fucked up situation and she needs some damn help. Okay? So it is what it is. Good deed, good deed. Now I'm on my way to, where am I on my way to?
I'm about to see Walmart.
I need to get another mop. I need to go, wherever we went yesterday, Lowe's.
Lowe's is right across the street from Walmart.
Because we need to get some of this. We're going to be doing windows today at the hotel. We got a lot of work to do, man. A lot of work to do. As you can see, we are making some progress here. Yes, we are mopping the floor. I believe this is day number 3. Giving this thing a good bath. Yes. See that construction dust coming right off of there? Yes, you got to keep on wiping it. Because on day number 2, after we wiped everything, we came back the next morning and it was a little light haze on the floor again. And we had to come back and wipe everything over again. So it is a process. It really is a process with construction dust cleaning.
guys.
But we got it. So we're in here. We're still working. As you can see, we got all the construction dust. Well, not quite all of it. But this is rough clean day 2. Okay, so I had my team in here yesterday. And if you saw it yesterday, the floors were white. You couldn't even see. Right? Now look at the floor. Okay? So we're getting some progress. It's still looking a little ashy in places, but we're getting some progress. I wiped off the machines. I had my workers in here wiping off the machines. Today, me and my assistant decided to come out here and get our hands dirty with the team because I ain't never really did a clean like this before. And sometimes we want to feel what our workers feel. You know what I mean? I ain't the average boss. I like to feel what they feel. So we've been out here for about 8 hours. We're about to wrap it up. It's far too much for me. This is a lot of work. We got to do the windows tomorrow, front and back. It's a lot, y'all. But we're making progress. Then tomorrow I'm going to come back and I'm going to suck all this up with the wet back. You see all that construction dust in there? I just don't know why they didn't cover this stuff up. I don't have no idea why they didn't cover up all of this equipment. It's just crazy. But it is what it is. We out here, man. Showing y'all what we doing. Take a look out here. It's a disaster out here. I bought these. Nobody used them because it didn't come with a battery. I didn't know. So I wasted that money. Well, I got to take it back to the store. Look at that. This is the lobby area. As you can see, it is completely covered with construction dust. And here are our finishing pictures of the fitness center. Yes, we finally got it together. It took us about 4 days to get it like this. Okay, you guys, so I'm on my way back to Savannah. How did she do today? Well, she worked. Okay, she did work. I put her with my head contractor out there, and she had her doing just some little small, minute type things, but she did work. I can't say the best work because she hasn't developed a work ethic in a few years, so it's all new to her, you know. So she sat down a couple times and got back up, work, sweat, sit down, get back up, work, sit down. But I did my good deed for today, okay? And we will be back out here tomorrow. How did you think today went?
I think it went great. Tiresome.
I am tired, y'all. We are tired, okay? So I'm on my way back to Savannah now, and I'm gonna jump in the shower because I'm all dusty. But it was a great experience just getting out there. I don't really like construction dust cleaning is not my forte. I can't say that. It's not my forte. And with these cleans that I don't really do like that, I wanted to get out here and really understand how long it really takes and how to position my players, how to better pay people, that type of thing. And it's teaching me. So I learned from experience, okay? Like, this ain't my field. So me and my assistant got out here and we learned a few things. We learned that if you pay somebody like a flat fee and tell them like they have to work 7 hours for this flat fee, you know, and everybody's working as a team downstairs, you know, you got to have a shift leader or somebody that's monitoring whether each man is really putting in quality service, if that makes any sense, or else my money goes out the window, you know. So each player is getting paid $200 a piece, you see, to work for 7 hours. Okay, so you do the math. All right. So if you got any weak links on the team, it can really make the process longer, and we got a budget to stay within, so we ain't got time for all that. You know what I'm saying? So it's that type of situation, that type of mind frame. But I don't mind getting my hands dirty to learn the field and try to figure out how I need to do this thing. I think that for a clean like this, it's best to either use employees or contract the whole thing out to another cleaning company that has employees. That's what I've learned about this. What you think?
Yeah, I would have to agree with that. Also, keynote news flash. Make sure you have a expert, someone who knows construction cleaning. Okay, because if you do not know anything about construction cleaning, you're gonna mess up and you're gonna be in there extra long. So just make sure you always have someone who knows what they're doing. Don't just go out here flying blind and going out here saying, well, the money good. You don't really know how good the money is because you haven't done that type of cleaning. Right. So just make sure you do your research and, you know, have an expert. Ask somebody. Go on YouTube, you know, before you even take the job, because you don't want to have a lot of wasted time.
Correct. Okay, so that's what we did. We was on YouTube, girl. I was asking people that do construction clean, like, what do I need to buy? I literally went out and I bought all these wet vacs and mops, and I spent a lot of money. Okay,